Okay, let's get started with our eighth or ninth session, I believe. Yeah, that's eighth session. Basically, various things I mentioned that we'll be covering in today's session. If the time allows, then we'll be able to cover. But otherwise, as always, it remains those in-depth sessions. We'll completely dive deep, understand of the reasons behind it, not just how and what, but also whys as well. So having a quick recap of a previous session, which was on basically in URL versus site, what's the difference between in URL and the site? So the difference is a very thin gap, I would say. Site basically searches for the links of those particular websites. Something like if we have given here site www.quora.com/profile or site stackoverflow.com/user or site www.linkedin.com/in. But wherein in URL is something, the particular in URL is basically searching for the text in the entire URL, wherein the site is searching only for that particular website. And that is the reason yesterday when we left a question, just to show you the thought process of how and where do you go and see, post those particular questions related to, we went to a couple of Facebook site, a couple of groups in a Facebook, and we did ask this particular question. And I got the answer also saying that someone has answered it correctly, saying that in URL, basically, let's say, let's capture in the thumb rules. Okay, what is the difference between in URL versus site? Well, both of them doing, seems to be doing, not doing, both of them seems to be doing. To be, both of them seems to be doing similar job, right? Okay, so that's basically a question. So here is it. So basically in URL, colon is searching for the text after in URL. Basically in URL is searching for the text after in URL. Basically in URL is searching for the text after in URL entire URL. Okay, however, the entire URL of search results. However, site is our operator site or however operator, let's call while both of them are doing basically operator, we call it as an operator, however operator site. Operator site is searching for the website link mentioned. However, operator site is searching for the website link mentioned after site. Okay, for example, in URL resume or CV or okay, in URL linkedin.com, in URL some images, but wherein this is again a combination of site and in URL. So I would say basically operator in URL is searching for the text after text or image. Text or image. Okay, this is also image, emojis, text, image, or emojis. Emojis. All right. So when we use in URL, even, okay, we'll come there later. However, the operator site is searching for the website link mentioned after site. So let's take some more examples. Similar examples we'll capture here. Site. This will remove /in / to identify individual profiles. All right. So now if you see in URL, whatever is going www.quora.com/profile is basically the operator itself. See, understand how does the operator is trying to search term, whatever we give after in URL or site, and what is it basically meant for. In URL is basically meant for for searching for whatever the text, image, or anything which is after in URL, but wherein site colon is only meant for searching the specific site link. And that's reason I'll come to the point. Why? Okay, now I would say in url.com, in URL, this thing. Okay, but site. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Thumb rule. Why in URL www dot or just in URL why in URL linkedin.com /in is working at the same time site linkedin.com is not working. Good interview question. So if you see here, site in URL, when we give in the double quotes, is basically working. In URL linkedin.com /in double quotes is working, but wherein when we give site, it doesn't work. So site is basically meant for searching those websites, searching those URL pattern of those particular websites. And that's reason it's a site, and no URL pattern of a website or specifically a LinkedIn website do not have double quotes in their URL. Wherein in URL is not searching for the particular site. It is basically searching for that particular keyword. So in URL is meant to be searched by using the text after in URL as a keyword in the search result, but wherein site colon operator is meant for to search for those web links which are given after the site colon. And unfortunately, there are no web links which has a double quotes. And that's reason in URL is working and site colon is not working. So if we remove this will work. But why it will not work? When we give colon, because no site has a colon in their URL pattern. But wherein when we give site linkedin.com /in, that pattern is there in the site. And that's the reason it's working. Any questions, any doubt, confusion around this? Yes, please.
So when we're using site operator, it has to be website alone, nothing else, right?
It's meant to search for the websites.
Website.
Here we need to understand what.
So when you're putting double quotes, it is searching for website which has got double quotes, but such website, like, there's no website which exists that way.
Has got a double quotes. Okay. And unfortunately, LinkedIn links does not have a double quotes. Maybe there might be some website which has a double quote, but we really don't know. Let's say SITE site. Just single double quote. Is there any link on the entire web link on entire web which has a double quote? No. But if we search for in URL, it will take double quote. Google will understand double quote again as an operator, which whatever the text is coming for one word or for two word for the entire phrase, it will understand it as an operator and it will give as it is. But what will happen if you give only in URL double quote? There is no URL which has a double quote. So whatever the text now in URL within the double quote, we are saying, what do I say? Let's say in, or within the double quotes, let's say @ or within the double quote, let's say pro, or within the double quotes, let's say about, or we'll do one by one also. So this will give a website which has a in, or which has here also in is there. So Mac, okay, here pro is there. Here in. Okay, here this is Google stuff. My activity. What is at @ or nothing pro something it is in let's say, if not in, we'll go with in URL @ do we have any URLs which has @ in their URL? It's not showing, but if we combine such kind of a special character, in future we'll cover. For now it will confuse up, but let's say these are the special character. So it's not taking any special character, though these special characters are there while we are using along with the additional keywords like linkedin.com // is a special character, and again in. So we are getting a result because it's a combination of keywords and a special character. But when we give special character only, it wouldn't. But when we give with the combination of keyword, it will take it. So this colon, // @ are all the special character. So either a in URL or a site doesn't understand special character unless they're combined with the text. So a similar example, if we see here, a special character / in URL / this result, LinkedIn or whichever is supposed to be coming. But why it is not coming? Because it doesn't understand special character. It understands keywords in combination of the special character. So
double quotes after in URL is operating as like, that will look for exact phrase.
Exact,
or as it is
exact word also.
Exact word, but it is not operating the same way in case of site operator, right?
In site it won't, because site would understand it as I need to take a look at the links of the website. In URL will understand it as I need to understand the text in the URLs.
Got it. Site in URL looks for text and site operator looks for website. That's the major difference, right?
That is the major difference. And the special characters cannot be, only special character cannot be searchable by using site or in URL, but can be searchable in case if we mix them up with the additional keywords. Let's say /CV, again /. We have not gone for another operator, but we would have understood. Here, if it is *CV, we are getting. We'll go. This is a future session. I don't want to confuse in here. You'll be confused. in case if we go there. Okay, we'll cover slowly, don't worry. Anyways, coming back now, thumb rule 19, why in URL linkedin.com/in is working at the same time site linkedin.com/in is not working when we give them, when we give in. Here we need to understand what site and in URL are meant for. That is, in URL is meant to serve for the text. Text or keyword, any text meant to search for any text or keyword or image or emoji. In URL is meant to search for any text or keyword or image or emoji as a text in the, as a text search, which is basically searching the text, as a text search in the entire URL. However, site is only meant for site is only meant for searching the whole website link in the stop the search result. However, site is only meant for searching the whole website link that is in the search results. Hence special characters like /. Okay. Hence special characters like /, double quotes, @ no. Special characters like double quotes can't be and special characters like double quotes won't be understood by and special characters like double quotes can't be understood. while using site as no and no and has double quotes in the web URLs. Rule 19, why in URL linkedin.com within the double quotes is working at the same time site linkedin.com within the double quotes is not working when we give them in a double quotes. Here we need to understand what site and in URL are meant for. That is, in URL is meant to search for any text. In URL here we need to understand, okay, that is in URL is meant to search for any text, keyword, image, images as a text search in the entire URL. However, site is only meant for searching the whole website link in the search result. Hence, special characters like double quotes can't be understood while using site, as no web link has double quotes in the web URL. All right. So keyword. Let's say if any web link has site with the space. All right, so this is how it is. So this will raise another question. 19. We have last 10 minutes left over. Please rejoin again using the same link. Okay, I'll come back to this thing maybe sometime later. Now it will confuse otherwise. So is this clear? What's the difference between in URL and site, and why few things are working while we use in URL and few things are not working while we use site? Yes, no, clear, not clear, still confused?
Little confused you.
Little confused, right?
Yeah.
Anju, Ajaz, Rabia, Satish.
I need to really means I'm not very sure if I understood.
Okay.
The difference.
Okay. So when we use in URL linkedin.com/in within the double quotes. Okay. So this operator searches linkedin.com/in as a keyword in the entire URL. Okay.
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 So this operator in URL, when we are using in URL, it's like another search term where the command is saying to Google, you know what, Google, you are giving me a result now. Let's say if I search for linkedin.com/in. Okay. Now Google is giving us the results. Google says, okay, fine. These are the results which has a word linkedin.com/in. Okay. Now, so it's asking, do you mean in.linkedin.com? It's assuming and giving us some of the results. Let's say now similarly, if we keep this thing in the double quotes. So this is normal text search we are doing in the linkedin.com. linkedin.com/in. So this is the entire content. So maybe from Quora or from LinkedIn or from any other web pages. This is the content, okay, where we'll have this linkedin.com/in the entire web page. Somewhere or the other. It might be in their profile, or it might be like, you see, what is my LinkedIn URL? Okay, that particular thing Could be anywhere. In the entire text. Let's see.
So are we saying that when it's within inverted comma, it's using it as a sentence?
As a text search,
yes.
Okay, so again, here also, if you see, we'll have somewhere linkedin.com/in. So this is here, linkedin.com/in. Here also, it would be somewhere linkedin.com/in. So linkedin.com/jobs. Where else? It would be somewhere on the page. I'll just move on in the interest of time. Here one. Somewhere again here in the messaging part, it will be there. So it searches from the entire page. Or else here, LinkedIn URL and all everything. So Command F. So linkedin.com/in. So this is searching for the entire text. Okay, linkedin.com/in, in the double quotes we give, and we got all the results. And once we open this result, somewhere or the other, linkedin.com/in would be existing. So this is a normal search, as a text search, normal keyword search. Now what
I got it now.
Now what we're doing, we're giving a command saying that, okay, Google, you're giving me the results of linkedin.com/in as a keyword anywhere in the page. But now I want this linkedin.com/in in a specific way. So if it is a URL, if it is a title, or if it is a text, I'm saying Google, an additional command, I need a results where we have linkedin.com/in existing in the URL. So Google says, okay, fine, I'll give you linkedin.com/in, which is existing in the URL. And that's where we started getting a results where we have a linkedin.com/in existing in the URL. Here also, if you see, linkedin.com/in is existing in the URL in this particular question. So that's reason Google is giving these ones. Now, when I say, okay, Google, give me now site linkedin.com site colon within the quotes. Feel free to ask me. Hey, sorry, Google. Okay, sorry, that's my phone. So now I'm asking this another command. What I'm saying, first command, I asked Google, okay, Google, give me a result with linkedin.com/in in the URL. That's where we use the command in URL, and it search for the text after the in URL in the entire results and give me whichever the URL existing and which has linkedin.com/in. But site is basically meant for only to search a website links, and there is no website link which exists with the double quotes. That's the reason site is not understanding. Site is thinking, how do I search? I can't find any. So because site is taking, when site command is used, even the double quotes being understood by the site command as an additional keyword in the URL. And there is no URL which exists with the colon on the entire World Wide Web. And that's where site is not working. Site is meant to search for the website links. And even if you're using the special character of a double quote, now / is the special character. It is understanding because there are website links which are existing with the double quote. Similarly, like, now if you see special character @ there are some of the website web links which are existing with the special character, and that's the reason it's working. And this is taking entire, even that including that @ also, it's not taking as an operator or a special character. It's taking completely as a keyword. Now, if I open up any of the profiles here, any of the results here, even though the special characters are given, but if you see @ is there in the URL, @ is there in the web link, @ is there in the web link, because those special characters are existing in the web link. And the site says, okay, fine, this command is true because including a special character, site is meant to search for a web links if they have a special character. Now, if double quotes ke saath, agar there is a website which is existing with the double quotes, and if you're able to get it the proper link as it is. That's the reason we covered in yesterday's one of the this thing. Okay, basically operator in URL search for the text or the emojis or after in URL in the entire URL of a search result. However, operator site is searching for the website link mentioned after the site. So even if you mention some of the special character, it will understand it as an entire text term only, entire keyword only, /linkedin.com/in. It's existing. That special character is existing in that entire web link. That's the reason we are getting a result. But as soon as we give double quotes, it's not existing because that double quotes not understood by site as an operator, because site is basically giving a push command saying that I need a web links with all this. We have less than a minute. We'll get disconnected. Please relog in again. But wherein URL understand the special character, because URL says, okay, fine. If it is even a special character, I would